Today we are going to capture one of the finest project that is launched on SPR Road, and this is just right opposite DLF Alameda. अभी जिस प्रोजेक्ट में मैं खड़ा हुआ हूँ, जो भी आप लैंडस्केपिंग देख सकते हैं और हम जो भी अभी आर्किटेक्चर आपको यहाँ पे दिखाएंगे, इनफैक्ट ये सारे वही कंसल्टेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने ये जो मैं डेवलपमेंट की अभी बात करने वाला हूँ उसको कंसेप्चुलाइज करा है और वो इस प्रोजेक्ट को इंडिया में लेके आने वाले हैं. So when you buy a residential project, every element is critical and important, where you see the landscaping, the amenities, the internal space, the lobby spaces, and the sustainability of the project. So it has to be an amalgamation of all these things. I think this developer has used such kind of consultants, which is bringing in all these elements. So today we are going to speak with the company here. And we have with us the COO of this company. So the company and the project that we are talking about is Pyramid, and the development that we are going to talk about is the Alban. Pyramid has been into this industry for many years and has done a lot of work in Gurgaon. They have been the key aggregators of land in Gurgaon, and finally they are coming up with one of the luxury development at a finest location. So today we have Mr. Ashwini Kumar, COO of Pyramid, and Mr. Ashish Vijayarania, Sales Head of Pyramid. In fact, today I have my partner with me, Mr. Romy Mittal, who has been working very closely with Pyramid in conceptualizing this product and to make it happen. So here's the team of Pyramid with me, Mr. Ashwini Kumar, the CEO of Pyramid.
Thank you, Saurabh, for having us here.
Pleasure is all mine, sir. And Mr. Ashish Vijayarania, the sales head of Pyramid. And we have my partner, Romy Mittal, who have been actively working on Pyramid for a long time now. So to give you a gist, Pyramid has been into the market from 2008 and they have done a lot of products into the market. So let's have a candid discussion with them. What kind of product they are bringing into the market. So I just wanted to ask, Pyramid को कैसे conceptualize किया आपने? क्या thought process था?
Saurabh, earlier we were into land aggregation since 2014 when the affordable housing policy came in. We started the development. First project was Urban Home 1, and then we launched 12 projects subsequently. Around 12,000 apartments have been sold.
Okay.
And we have 7 commercial projects, then 2 plotted.
Okay.
And the recent one is a normal luxury group housing Alban, which we have launched recently.
Okay.
And out of the past 12 projects, 8 have been successfully delivered on time, and remaining 2,500 apartments would be delivered in next first quarter of next year.
So I think Pyramid has been doing fantastic work in terms of launching these developments and bringing them into the market and delivering to the clients. क्या vision क्या है Pyramid का?
So the vision is to provide a quality product and on time with a very good location. You know, real estate is all about location.
Yeah, I agree.
So we always try to put our product in a nice location, always on 60-meter row,
Okay.
which is nicely accessible from the suburban activities, and the place should have social infrastructure. If place doesn't have a social infrastructure, we don't launch that project. For example, we have around 70 acres of licensed land, but we don't launch all the projects at go because we wait for the social infrastructure around the project to develop.
I understand.
Then we start our development. So our main focus is quality, location, and timely delivery. And on the top of it, we don't want to miss the best part. We want always to deliver quality product at a very nice price, which suits the pocket of a client, and there is a spread for a buyer.
तो आप ये कहना चाहते हो कि आप इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए जूस टेबल पे छोड़ते हो
Yes.
कि एक इन्वेस्टर भी पैसा बना पाए.
Yeah,
तो बिल्डर अकेला पैसा नहीं बनाता, आप मार्केट को भी पैसा बना के देते हो.
that's an idea actually. Whosoever have invested with Pyramid, all our 12,000 customers would know about our past performance. They have made very good significant money in all of our projects. There are places where people are earning 10 to 12% rental income on the investment which they invested in residential, which doesn't happen usually in anywhere in residential market.
I understand. आशीष जी, I just wanted to understand कि अभी ये जो आपने एल्बैन को लॉन्च करा है, ठीक है, तो एल्बैन के क्या USPs हैं, क्या यूनिक प्रोपोजिशंस हैं जो आपको लगता है कि ये और प्रोजेक्ट से अलग करते हैं?
The first USP in the project is this is the tallest building I think we are coming up with. This is ground plus 46 structure.
ओके
And
ओके
rest all are like I think the other projects which are coming up is around 32, 35, 36.
I understand.
This is ground plus 46, and in fact the floor to ceiling height is approximately 3.3 meters.
ओके सो अगर फीट में इसको कन्वर्ट करें तो कितना?
It's around 10.75 to 11 feet. This is
Yeah.
clear height.
So it
clear
will
height.
give 10.5 to 10.6 feet clear height.
Clear height.
अगर हम लोकेशन के बारे में बात करें तो लोकेशन के बारे में आप क्या बताएंगे?
So this is just like a stone throw away from SPR, and it's bang on 84 wide sector road,
ओके
and it's a frontage of approximately like 3 acre.
ओके वेरी नाइस.
And we are making ground and first floor as a club. Ground
This
floor.
is which sector?
This is sector 71.
And this is right opposite DLF Alameda.
Absolutely. This is just opposite DLF Almeda, and DLF Almeda is DLF Almeda club is coming just next to this project.
Our project is also surrounded by a lot of corporates already operational. MX is there within a kilometer of our project. Then we have Genpact, Google. Latest is Air India. They are coming up with their training center in
Okay.
sector 75. We are just across the road, walking distance 300 to 400 meters away.
Okay.
So these all commercial development is the right barometer to judge how the place is going on.
Okay.
More jobs comes in, more demand comes in for
I
residential.
absolutely agree. So just for our viewers, I think the location of this property is just opposite DLF Alameda. And when we talk about the commercial activity around it, the commercial ecosystem is very strong. Already Air India has started their setup here. Accenture has started their office here. And the major part is Cyber City 2 is going to be around half a kilometer from this development. And secondly, when we talk about the global city that is going to come in 36 sector on Dwarka Expressway, that would be another 4 kilometers from this development. So when we talk about the location, the social infrastructure is amazing. The connectivity is superb. The livability index, by the time the possession of this development comes, it's going to be one of the finest. So we have Romy Mittal also, who is my partner, and in fact he has worked very closely on this project. So Romy, what you think, how the market has taken this project?
Saurabh, see, the project is great. The best part of the project is that they have a very flexible payment plan, which is good for the buyer as well as for the investor. So I think in 120 days, you just have to pay 35%.
Okay.
So they have given a lot of flexibility. So if you are an end user, you just have to pay 35%. Then you don't have to pay anything for next 3.5 years. At the same time, for the investor, the price is 16,000 rupees. If you pay 35% of that, it's roughly around 4.5, 5,000. And for next 3.5 years, you are free. So you can earn good amount of return on this. So if we talk about the capital appreciation, I guess in 3 years, you will get, I guess, 100% return, which is 33% annualized return. And I think it's a very good return.
I think it beats all the asset classes when we talk. Even the equity or the mutual funds, they are working around 18 to 20%. Bringing in 33% annualized, that's amazing.
That's a very good return.
Yeah.
And about the project, I would like to add something. So like this, it gives you a very grand feeling when you enter in the lobby. Because
So
pyramid-
रोमी, उसके बारे में आप मत बोलना, अभी एक एक एलिमेंट को हम कैप्चर करेंगे. सो जिस लोकेशन पे अभी हम खड़े हैं, इनफैक्ट जिस लोकेशन पे अभी हम ये शूट कर रहे हैं, ये वो लोकेशन है जो इनके कंसल्टेंट्स ने बनाई है. तो यहाँ पे लैंडस्केपिंग कैसी है, दैट्स गोइंग टू गेट रेप्लिकेटेड. कैसे वाटर बॉडीज़ को क्रिएट किया गया है, कैसे पूल अमेनिटीज़ को प्लेस किया गया है. सो अभी एक एक एलिमेंट को हम देखेंगे, एंड वी विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ pyramid is bringing such kind of concept to India, and they are revolutionizing the real estate market. So Ashwini ji, just wanted to understand the consultants that you are using, क्योंकि आज की डेट में प्रोजेक्ट एक आइसोलेशन में नहीं बनता. कोई भी डेवलपर अकेला एक प्रोजेक्ट को एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर सकता. उसको एक कंसल्टेंट्स चाहिए, अच्छे कंसल्टेंट्स चाहिए, वर्ल्ड क्लास कंसल्टेंट्स चाहिए, जो एक प्रोडक्ट को डिलीवर और डेवलप कर पाए.
Saurabh, we have a team of consultants. To start with, we have Hafiz Contractor as an architect, and we have a executing architect as in Rao and Associates.
Okay.
Then we have Turner for pre-construction,
Okay.
and we have NNC and Optimal for structure.
Okay.
Then we have Design Integral for landscaping. So
Okay.
that's a very nice landscaping architect and very in and out. Most of the projects are done by them in North India.
ओके. अगर मैं कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बात करूं जो मार्की प्रोजेक्ट्स हों, जो इन कंसल्टेंट्स ने करे हों, तो जैसे क्या नाम लेंगे आप?
So Turner would have been working with DLF on most of their lead projects,
Okay.
like Crest and Camellia.
Okay.
Then Hafiz, Magnolia and Camellias was designed by
Designed by Hafiz,
Most
yeah.
of the buildings of DLF has been designed by Hafiz.
Right.
So and Design Integral, when we see their best of the best work is like Dusit Devrana, the Roseate in Delhi has been, the landscaping was done by them.
Okay.
Then you have most of the airports, the landscaping has been done by them.
Okay.
They're the very fine landscaping architect.
I understand.
Then NNC Optimal, they are working on most of the DLF projects.
I understand.
So you name the project,
I think
would be available.
मतलब सारे फाइनेंस प्रोजेक्ट्स के आपने कंसल्टेंट्स को पिक किया है.
So safety, quality and finishing is the prime focus here.
Okay.
So we have hired best of the consultant. We want to provide nice construction quality and on time. That was our day one focus area.
Okay.
Because we have a large club. It will be spanning around 2 floors with 33 feet height on ground floor, then
Okay.
18 feet height on first floor. We will have indoor swimming pool, outdoor swimming pool, and banquet, restaurant, bar. Then we have a coffee shop. Most of these places has to be designed with the best of the architects and the interior designers. So we have a very
हाउस कितना बड़ा होगा?
So this is approximately 65,000 square feet when we talk about, but it is the height is more, so it will appear bigger when you will enter the clubhouse. So
Okay.
there will be a lot of areas where we can play around with, because we have 33 feet ceiling height, then we have a glass facade, a lot of sunlight coming in into the structure. So
Okay.
it will be interesting to watch when you are having your coffee outside on the patio and you are looking to the lawns, and one side there is a swimming pool.
Nice.
So, and then you have a bar right in above the coffee shop, which will be energizing the area in evening. So those all things have been thought in detail, and execution team is on board. Let's hope. we can-
अभी क्या स्टेटस है प्रोजेक्ट का?
Currently, we have started the D-wall construction. So the D-wall is diaphragm wall, and this is going to be the periphery of the project, where we will be casting the wall of all basements. There is a specific technology with which they do it without taking anything inside the site.
Okay.
So that construction has already started. Once D-wall periphery perimeter is completed, then the excavation will start, and our structure work will start by then.
I understand. तो जब हम इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं तो व्हाट इज द प्राइसिंग, द साइज ऑफ द अपार्टमेंट्स इफ वी टॉक?
So price is around 3.5 crores. That's a starting price,
Okay.
and area is 2360 square feet
Of the
minimum.
apartment.
Yeah, it has with this small size, we are able to come out with a very nice, spacious bedrooms. And master bedroom is 15 by 12. Kids room is 14 by 11 with a wardrobe space separate. And we have a very large deck, 50 feet deck available in most of our apartments. Some of the apartment even have 66 feet balcony in length.
That's
Some places it is 8 feet in depth. So it will give you a very nice, plush, luxurious feel. Usually you don't find these kind of decks in small apartments like 2300, 2200 or 3 bedroom. So this will give a very fine look, and a lot of ambient light will flow in the apartment because we are using floor to ceiling glass and other modern specs in an apartment. So it will be very high-end apartments which we are developing.
स्पेसिफिकेशंस की अगर हम बात करें तो क्या होंगी?
In specifications, we have imported marble in living room.
Okay.
Then we have wooden flooring in bedrooms. We have VRV. Then we have floor to ceiling glass and glazing. In kitchen, we are giving some white goods like a hob, chimney, oven, microwave. All those things have been taken care of. Kitchen is completely done. And we have a puja room.
Okay.
Then we have a powder room also.
Servant room.
Yeah, servant room is there.
Okay.
So powder room is a special one because in small apartments, again 2300 size apartment, you don't have separate puja room or a powder room. Once if somebody wants to have a small party in a house, so then that space is required.
Okay.
So that was always missing. We don't know why people don't design it. But this time we have tried to give most of the requirements, small detailing, which small family requires. So we have got into depth to design these apartments.
एफिशिएंसी की अगर बात करें अपार्टमेंट्स की तो क्या एफिशिएंसी निकल के आती है?
So the efficiency would be like 75% of the area is usable.
इंक्लूडिंग balconies?
Yes.
लैंडस्केप के बारे में आप कुछ और बोलना चाहेंगे?
See, Saurabh, our construction footprint is just like 30%. And, ground and first floor is our club. Our apartments start from second floor onwards.
Okay.
So there is just like 30% ground coverage is there. Rest 70% is all green.
Okay.
Wherein you can use it for recreational activities and all that stuff.
I understand. So I think जो पिरामिड ने सोचा है, पिरामिड ने सिर्फ अपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर का नहीं सोचा है. पिरामिड्स ने होलिस्टिकली कि अगर कोई रेजिडेंट रह रहा है तो वो पूरी की पूरी सोसाइटी को कैसे एंजॉय कर सकते हैं.
सारी एमिनिटीज और पूरे ग्रीन को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं सेकंड बाय सेकंड.
हाँ.
That's why yes.
आई अंडरस्टैंड. अभी मैं अगर बोलता हूँ कि आज कोई इन्वेस्टर आज एंटर कर रहा है इस प्रोडक्ट के अंदर और वो 2 साल बाद एग्जिट करता है तो क्या पैसा बना के निकलेगा. बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट कि भाई 3.5 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी है, एग्जिट इतने में होगा, पैसा इतना लगेगा, इतनी कमाई होगी. एक बार अगर आप एक्सप्लेन करेंगे.
सौरभ, जो टोटल प्रॉपर्टी की वैल्यू है दैट इज समवेयर बिटवीन 3.5 to 4 CR.
राइट.
It depends on the location of the apartment. If you go for a good location, then it would cost you 4 CR. And right now, as I told you earlier as well, you just have to pay 35%, right? Which is in per square feet
3.5 करोड़ का 35% कितना होता है?
तकरीबन 1 करोड़ रुपया,
ठीक है.
जो अभी आपको देना है.
ठीक है.
और मुझे लगता है जैसी डेवलपमेंट हो रही है, जो नेबरहुड है इस प्रॉपर्टी का, यू हैव अ DLF township just across the road, which is in 100 acres.
Right.
American Express is there.
Right.
Now,
Cyber City 2 is
Cyber
coming,
City
Local
2 is
City आ रहा
coming
है.
up. Google is there. Then Air India has also taken a space across the road. तो मुझे लगता है कि इसके ऊपर आपको 3 से 4 हज़ार रुपये पर स्क्वायर फीट का इजीली जंप मिल जाएगा.
कितना टाइम के अंदर?
तकरीबन 2 से 2.5 साल में.
ओके.
राइट.
तो अगर हम 4,000 की बात करते हैं, किसी क्लाइंट ने 1 करोड़ रुपया लगाया तो 4,000 रुपये कितने हो गए? मोटा मोटा 1 करोड़ रुपया.
राइट.
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि 3 साल के अंदर पैसा डबल हो जाए.
डबल हो जाए.
तो व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज अगेन
33% एनुअलाइज्ड रिटर्न.
आई अंडरस्टैंड. मैं अब थोड़ा सा आपको एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता हूँ इसके विसिनिटी के अंदर जो डेवलपमेंट्स हैं. जैसे DLF Privana हो गया. DLF Privana वॉज सोल्ड एट 19,000 रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर फीट. मैक्स स्टेट ने अभी प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च करा था 36 सेक्टर के अंदर एट ए प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ अराउंड 20,000 रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर फीट. तो आज भी अगर इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करें तो इट इज़ अ वैल्यू प्रॉपोजिशन एट 15,000 रुपीज़, 15,250 प्लस रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर फीट. आई थिंक एज ए एंड यूजर दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. एज ए इन्वेस्टर इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. क्यों? क्योंकि साइज़ जो है वो राइट साइज्ड प्रोडक्ट है. टिकट साइज इज राइट. The location is fantastic. It's bang on 60-meter road, right opposite DLF Alameda. It's going to have a very strong vicinity, very upmarket vicinity. जितने भी डेवलपमेंट्स आसपास आएंगे वो upmarket होंगे. The neighborhood is going to get fantastic. अब जल्दी से हम इसके एलिमेंट्स को कैप्चर करते हैं, जितने भी एलिमेंट्स इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर कैप्चर करें.
One more thing.
Right.
See, real estate is all about location, and location.
Yeah.
If you speak about our location, this is just, we are repeating again, like just opposite Alameda. See, this is just on the main 84-meter wide road.
Yeah.
जो ये 84-meter wide road है, it starts from SPR and it goes towards a road which is connecting Subhash Chowk to Hironda Chowk.
Right.
So it will connect in another like 3-4 months. जब वो connection हो जाएगा तो to Subhash Chowk from our project is like just I think 4-5 minutes drive. That's all.
Okay.
So the connectivity is going to be better in future. Number one. Number two, metro is again coming on that route.
Right.
From Subhash Chowk to Hironda Chowk. So metro connectivity is again like 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers.
Right.
So location is coming up well.
Absolutely. I think SPR का कुछ revamp का plan भी है जहाँ पे
The elevation starts from Cloverleaf till Vatika Chowk.
I understand. So let's move fast and capture the elements this product is going to have. So as I told you that Alban is being made by international consultants, and even when we talk about the landscaping, the construction, and the architecture, a lot of international minds have got into it. So one of the international consultant is with us right now, and we will just speak what he thinks about Alban and what kind of inputs they have put into Alban while they were conceptualizing it. So hi. So just wanted to understand how you are making this project. What do you think about Alban? How you see it? How it's going to come up?
Yes, I think this project is it's a global project, and I find sustainability is very important for us and for our kids and for our families. And this project is using sustainable and long-lasting material and construction solutions.
Right.
And it's combined the sustainability with the luxury, because we have to serve our clients as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I think we have got the answer that they are going to make a sustainable product, and they are going to bring amalgamation of luxury and sustainability into this product so that it becomes built to last. So now we are going to capture each and every element that this project is going to have. Elements जो common areas के अंदर use होंगे. तो अभी हम पहले element में खड़े हुए हैं. तो Romi, if you can explain us fast.
So basically, it's on the ground level, and internal there is a staircase which takes you to the coffee shop,
Okay.
and you will be overlooking the pool area from the coffee shop as well as from the river.
Okay. So right now on the background you can see the restaurant spaces. ये इन्हीं के कंसल्टेंट ने काम किया हुआ है ये. तो हमने इधर आके इसको कैप्चर करने की कोशिश करी है कि क्या चीज़ें, क्या क्या एलिमेंट और क्या फिनिश इनके कंसल्टेंट ने जो ये यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो दिए हैं. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी काइंड ऑफ एम्बियंस दैट यू विल फाइंड इन एल्बान. रोमी, नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द अनदर एलिमेंट विद इन द कम्युनिटी, द लॉबी. ठीक है, जहाँ से एंट्रेंस होती है किसी विजिटर की या जो रहते हैं. तो थोड़ा सा लॉबी के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे.
Saurabh, I can assure you one thing. The kind of lobby you are getting in Pyramid Dalban, you won't find it anywhere else. So the concept is they have 3 towers, but their lobby is common. So you have a one grand entrance,
Okay.
and all the lobbies are connected.
Okay.
So when you enter in the lobby, it gives you a feeling as if you are entering in a 5-star hotel.
Okay.
And the best part is, in every tower, they have 5 lifts, out of which 4 are passenger lifts, and 1 is service elevator.
Okay.
So in total, you get 15 lifts.
Okay.
And that's a very good feature, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's move around the lobby.
Yeah.
This lobby, we just wanted to show you this lobby is the reason. मैं अगेन रीआइटरेट कर रहा हूँ, दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ ये चीज़ कि इस कंसल्टेंट ने ही एल्बान बनाना है. So just have a look at the lobby, how they have done it. So you will have a better perspective about it. Let's go.
So Saurabh, this is the kind of area which you will get. The facade is of all glass, so even if you are sitting in the coffee shop, you will have a clear view of the pool and the green area.
I understand.
That's the best part of this project.
Okay.
And Saurabh, I would like to tell you one thing. Along with the coffee shop, they also have a terrace, again, which is overlooking the pool and the park area.
Okay.
You just come with me and have a look at
Sure. Sure.
it. So this is what I was talking about, Saurabh. This is the terrace area, which you will get on the first floor where the coffee shop is.
So it's, I think it's going to be extension of internal space to external. Internally भी आप कॉफ़ी पी सकते हैं और बाहर
Right.
बैठ के भी जहाँ पे एक्सटेंशन करा हुआ है
Right,
वहाँ
sir.
पे. So this is going to be kind of amenities. Those are going to be there in Alban. I think one of the unique propositions that we are seeing right now. Now we are going to capture other elements which this project is going to have. Let's go. Now have a look at indoor pool which is going to be there in Alban. Let's come have a look.
And same kind of like outside pool they're gonna provide.
So the another pool that's going to be outside, it's going to look like this, which is going to integrate with the green spaces of the community.
The kids play area and all that stuff. Alban is going to have a gym like this. Let's see to it. We are going to have all equipments here in the gym. It's a top class gym which is going to be there in the Alban.
It's going to be a huge gym, I think.
Yeah, it's going to be bigger than this in fact.
Bigger than this,
Yeah.
yes. And the machineries are going to be world class.
It's a top class job, man.
Absolutely. This is how it's going to look like when you see it from your balconies of the apartment. These are going to the swimming pool. All the amenities are going to be placed out. And on the ground floor, you can see the clubhouse and the restaurant. And on the other side, those are the swimming pool and other amenities which are being placed.